All right, there we go. Now it's super echo in here, so I don't know if I'll be able to, if I just end up doing a voiceover. In February, I got these exact same jeans light starched, and I can tell you they put a little bit more extra in there. There's a medium. You know, you can kind of hear it, see it. And this is the heavy. Again, you can kind of visually see it. Medium. Cowboy Retro Slim. You can see that it's not burnt or steamed on there. Weight. It's not bad once you get it going. Nope. That's rich. Hold on. These are my recreational pants. The one you've all been waiting for. Boom. I don't think I'm gonna stand up. That is definitely more rigid. Definitely more rigid. There we go. Thank you for watching the video. It is definitely warm in here now. I have a fan on. We're gonna do a voiceover because it's echoey in this room right now. We're almost done in this room. We're almost finished with inspection. They were supposed to come today, Monday. So now it's just a waiting game. But fingers crossed. Pray for us that we pass this. Sweating. What was the purpose of this video? That there are different types of starches depending around the area that you live in. My local, I was told there's 2 now, but I always thought there was 1. Dry cleaner. This is their heavy starch. Our heavy starch would differ from your location. You got your medium, your light starch. Everyone's gonna have their version of what a medium, light, or heavy starch is. or a cowboy starch, or a welder's starch. I didn't know the term cowboy starch. I've always known it as welding or welder's starch. That's just the term that I learned growing up. Again, I'll do no starch to like a medium starch, sometimes light, just depends, but not a heavy. But that's just preference. So, thank you for watching. I got a wedding coming up, but I gotta make sure the heavy starch can kind of keep up with moves.